Within an industrial facility, there may be hundreds of different fluid systems designed to control and direct fluids for a variety of operations. Each system is made up of a series of valves, piping, pumps, and other components. Fluid system components are susceptible to leaks. Two common devices used to prevent or minimize leaks are gaskets and packing. Gaskets are commonly used to seal non-moving connecting surfaces, such as pipe flange faces or the two halves of a pump casing. Gaskets are made of compressible materials that can be squeezed. When a gasket is squeezed between two connecting surfaces or sealing surfaces, the compressibility of the material allows the gasket to form a seal. This illustration shows a gasket between two sections of pipe. The gasket is installed between the smooth sealing surfaces or faces on the connecting flanges at the end of each pipe section. As the flanges are bolted together, the gasket is compressed or squeezed between the faces. As the bolts are tightened, the gasket material is forced into any small imperfections in the sealing surfaces of each flange. As a result, leakage paths are blocked off. This exaggerated illustration represents a flange with large imperfections in the sealing surfaces, such as deep scratches. A gasket may not be able to fill these deeper imperfections. As a result, leaks might occur. The surfaces should be polished with grit paper or machined to remove the imperfections. This illustration, enhanced to show detail, represents a flange with a high spot. This type of problem may not allow a gasket to compress evenly, creating a leakage path. The surface should be machined to remove the high spot. A cracked flange, exaggerated here to show detail, could also prevent a gasket from sealing properly. If the crack is deep, it may be impossible to repair, and the flange may have to be replaced. If the flanges are out of alignment or the sealing surfaces are not evenly machined, the sealing surfaces may not be parallel. If the sealing surfaces are not parallel, the gasket material may not compress properly when the flanges are connected. One way to determine whether the sealing surfaces are parallel is to measure the gap between the opposing flanges at several points around the flange. If all the measurements are equal, then the sealing surfaces are parallel.